This is a twist to your regular samosa recipe. Let's see how it's made. For this recipe, you will need extra firm tofu, diced onions, frozen peas, salt, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric, black pepper, and cumin powder. I am using a store-bought phyllo dough. In a small pan, add oil, add the diced onions, fry the onions until they are golden brown. Now add the black pepper, cumin powder, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, and salt. Mix everything together and cook for a few more seconds. Now add the crumbled. Cook the tofu for 5 to 10 minutes. Add the frozen peas and mix everything together. Cook this mixture for 5 more minutes and then let it cool completely. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Take your phyllo dough out of the wrap. Cut the phyllo dough into 4 equal parts. Take 1 strip of phyllo dough and brush olive oil on it. Place another sheet on top. Now take the right top corner and bring it down and make a triangle. Brush a little more olive oil. Seal the side. This is how it's going to look. Add a bit more oil and seal. And now you have a pocket to add the stuffing in. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of stuffing. Put it down on your working surface. Now brush a little more oil and keep folding until you reach the end. This is one way of wrapping the samosas. Now I am going to show you a second method. Take another sheet of phyllo dough and brush it with oil. Add another sheet on top. Take the right top corner and bring it down. Fold again. It should look like a triangle. Place your index finger in the bottom left corner and push the phyllo dough to meet the top. This will give you a pocket. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your stuffing. Place it down on your working surface again. Brush more oil on the rest of your sheet. And keep folding your samosa until you reach the end of the sheet. And this is how you make a perfect triangle samosa. And your samosas are ready to be baked or fried. I am going to bake these samosas in 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And look how perfect and golden brown they look. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.